What are you going to do, buddy? She's got you. You got to get out of there somehow. Got to get out of there somehow. Get her a big old wet kiss. She doesn't like big old wet kisses. Give her a big wet kiss. Say, mwah. Alright, can he get up? Let him up.